Let's go, little buddy. Come on, go get this. Go around, go get it. Yes, over. Yeah. Go. Ladies and gentlemen, Harley Davidson, come on. Come on, little buddy. Let's go do this. You ready? Now, folks, everybody knows that Harleys run better once they're warmed up. Let's see what he's got. Yes. Oh, sorry, buddy. Quick. Go get it. Go. There it is. Drop. Stop. Good boy. Go. Yes, man. Come on. I know, buddy. Folks, Harley seems to think he can do the machine gun better than what Easy does it. So let's see if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.